Okay, hello everybody. So this is a video to show you how to change a Pajero Sports keys battery. At a certain stage when your car indicates that your battery is low, that's pretty much the time to change your battery. Don't leave it to the last minute, because when your battery is dead and you are somewhere that you need to go to or you have to be back, it's going to make things tricky. So very easy. First you need to get this battery here, and this is the Duracell CR2032. You can get this from any department store, any supermarket, any tech shops, or even Kmart, or it's any shop that sells batteries, which is pretty much most, even petrol kiosks sells them. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll take one out and just take that out. Got that right. Just make sure you've got the exact number, because there's a few variation of this battery. You need to get the 2032 flat battery. Well, you can screenshot this and okay, so it's kind of childproof for safety reasons. They don't want a child to accidentally swallow this, and oh gosh, it's really childproof. And okay, so we use the screwdriver to get it out. Ouch! It's not easy. It's not easy. My gosh. Okay, it's gonna really use some strength there, and once it's all kind of torn out, you can peel it out. Gosh. Oh. Come on. Why did they make this thing so hard? Come on. It's as if like a child's gonna... Well, if you leave it in places where it's very child friendly, then the child's going to pick it up. You know what I'm saying? But we don't usually leave this in places where a child can pick it up. Might try use the scissors to cut this thing. Okay, it is really, oh god, okay, come on. Maybe there's a simpler way, but okay, just discover why it's so hard to peel out. This whole thing is actually encapsulated in a plastic. So I've been trying to pull the plastic and break it, but it's obviously not going to come out if it's all enclosed. So now that you can learn from my mistake, use a knife, cut the plastic off. Be careful, because it's can be very dangerous. Okay, so that's pretty much that's done. So now it's coming off. Yes, finally. Okay, thought that's going to be the easy part, you know, and it's actually the most challenging. So the next thing is to get your key, and this is my key. The key is pretty much a fob, which is it's keyless, so just press that button and it dissolve it. And there's an actual key which is back here, this thing here. You have to push that down and pull that out. Okay, so you have to take the key out first before actually opening it. Now to open this, you have to look for a little slit which is right there. What you want to do is you put that, get a small screwdriver that's for your glasses or something that's small, and just push it in right into the little slit there and turn it. Just turn it anyway, left or right, and there you go, it's open. You'll find that there's another Energizer CR2032 in there. So what you want to do here is you want to take that out, and there's a little area here which you just can peel that off easily, put that away, and put the new one in. Now just gently pushing it through this way, and there you go, it's back in. Now just to test it really quickly before you lock it, if the light comes on, means it's on. That's all. And all you have to do is just put it back as such. Make sure there's a clicking sound. Clicking sound. Okay, there's no clicking sound, so there you go. That's what you want to hear. That's done. Once it's done, test again. Yeah, it's working fine, and that's all you have to do to change your Pajero battery. Very easy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this is going to be helpful for you. Yes, and just click the like and subscribe button just to help me out. Thank you very much.